Hey everyone, I am Shushan Pathare from Team Avatar and I am excited to share my journey through the Level Supermind pre-hackathon assignment. In this video, I will take you through my pre-hackathon assignment, my Langflow pipeline and the web application I have built using React and Express. Stick around till the end where I will also share the exciting feature I plan to add in the future. Let's dive in. To start, the pre-hackathon assignment was all about social media performance analysis. The main objective was to analyze mock social media data and provide insights using Langflow and DataStrack StarDB. The task was divided into three parts: data simulation, creating a small data sets with engagement metrics like, shares, and comments; performance analysis, using Langflow to process the data and calculate average engagement metrics for different post types; insights generation, leveraging GPT integration in Langflow to generate actionable insights. So here is the pipeline. Here is the pipeline which I had designed using the Langflow. The pipeline is divided into two parts. First part, uploading the data into the AstraDB vector database. So this is the mock data which I have generated. So here is the first workflow. I have divided my workflow into two parts. First part, uploading the data into the Astra vector database. In this part, I take the data and divided it into chunks. After dividing the data, I embed these chunks into the vector store of the AstraDB. So we can look how the database looks in the AstraDB. So here is the data I have embedded in the AstraDB vector database. Uh, Now comes to the second part. Second part, chat input processing. The chat input is processed into two steps. Prompt input. The input is sent to the prompt search query. The input is also sent to the search functionality of AstraDB. AstraDB returns relevant data which I parse and use as a part of a prompt. The combined prompt along with the chat input I send to the generative AI model. In this case, I have used the Google generative AI. Mm. So the generative AI process the input and generate insights which are then returned as a chat response. Now let's look at the example of it. So I go to the playground section of it and click on new responses. So I ask that should I post a reel or a static post. So it will give us the output based on the input data which we have given to the workflow. So let's look at it. It will take a time. So the response which we have gotten by the Gemini AI based on the input which we have provided is reels generally perform significantly better than the static post. So the direct answer is that reel are generally perform better based on the input which we have provided, the key insights, the analytics, and some extra stuffs. I also built a companion website to showcase the insight dynamically. The website is powered by Express.js, while the front-end is built using React. The website allows users to select post types to analyze, view engagement metrics in real time, read GPT-generated insights. You can explore it at this URL. I deployed the website using Vercel. So this is the UI of the website. I generated the bar graph and the line graph based on the data. So this is the dynamically generated response by the front end. So if I type the same similar thing which I typed in the playground section, it will take some time. So see, I get the same response as I get on the playground. The current project lays a strong foundation, but there's so much more potential to explore. Here are some features I plan to add in the future. User authentication allow user to log in and save their custom reports. Advanced data visualization, adding dynamic charts and graphs to make insights more interactive and visually appealing. Integration with real data, connecting the app to real social media platforms like Instagram or X using their APIs. Predictive analytics, incorporating machine learning models to predict future engagement trends based on historical data. Custom insights, enabling user to input their datasets and receive tailored insights. Multi-language support to cater a broader audience globally. So these are some key features which I have decided to add in the future. This addition will make the project more robust, user-friendly, and ready for real-world use. Here is a quick rundown of the tool and technology I used. Langflow to design seamless data workflow and integrate GPT for insights. DataStack XtraDB for scalable and reliable data storage. React and Express for building a fast interactive web app. The synergy between these tools allow me to build an end-to-end solution that both insightful and user-friendly. This project was a fantastic learning experience, especially working with Langflow and DataStack. The future scope I just shared make me even more excited to see where this project can go. If you enjoyed this walkthrough or found it helpful, give this video a like and share it with your network. Don't forget to subscribe for more